Hi guys, today is going to be a bullet journal video for August. This is page 1, the title page. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to change my page layout to black with dotted. I've already done it, but if you click the 3 dots, then you can change the page template and background color. Now I'm going to choose my pen. I just chose a calligraphy pen. I'm not the best journaler, but like I said, I'm learning every day. I'm just going to choose a white color. And also you can see that's me shooting the camera. So if it kind of moves a lot, yeah, that's me. So I'm writing August. In the next couple, I will be outlining with a different color and making the word August stand out. Also, I might pop in and out, so don't be scared if I just automatically just come in. I wrote August and then 2021, and yeah. This is like a simple trick to anybody who's new at journaling, to like make your words stand out. Go over them with a different color, and it'll kind of make it stand out and look more neat. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button and share with your friends and family. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers before 2021 ends. So, yeah. Now I'm going over it with different colors. The 2021, I kind of wrote it in 3 different colors so it stand out. If you can do it whatever way you want, however you feel like it. But at that moment, I just wanted to do something like this. Now I grabbed my highlighter and I decided to do it's like a up down pattern, and yeah, I'm gonna do it to August and 2021. Also, for some people who don't know what bujo means, it means bullet journal. I just like drawing stars. Stars might not look neat, but to me, visually, I kind of like stars. And then at the bottom of it, I put a little quote. I said, "Keep dreaming, but then I realized that might not be an appropriate quote, so I kind of later changed it to I think never give up. I'm not really sure, but I did change it though. The first page is almost done. Just need to title it 1, and this is the final page. Now we're going to move on to page 2 of our bullet journal calendar. So now I'm going to be choosing the regular calligraphy pen. No, fountain pen I chose, my bad. I already labeled it 2 on the top of the page. And I'm just going to write calendar, and then later with the highlighter I will make it prettier. So now I'm going to write with the squiggly line underneath the calendar to make it stand out. I tried aiming to make it like a bubble, but I kind of didn't like the idea, so I just went with the squiggly line underneath it. So the next step is going to be writing our dates for the calendar and like the month, like August 1st, and of all the dates. I filmed the video, but the video kind of glitched out when I was uploading it into the editor. So I unfortunately do not have that video. So I can show you how I did the calendar when my image pops up. I just did it like a standard calendar with all the dates separated with highlighters, and then yeah, pretty much that's it. Now let's move on to page 3, our goals. This is like a goals Samsung note page, which I use to all my goals in my bullet journals. So this is something which I just keep, and then I just keep it like that so I can use it for my bullet journal, so it's easier for me. So now let's copy this page into our Samsung notes. We're just going to click that arrow, then we're going to click that 3 dots, then we're going to click copy, and now it's copied. Now let's go back to our document, in our bullet journal document. So we click that button right there, and then we click the 3 dots right there, and then paste. So now it will paste our document to that one. Now it's there. If you're really going to create your goals from scratch, it's like really your choice, but I prefer to use something that I've been using for a long time. Now this is how the final page looks like. I did make some changes though. Now it's time for page 4, my favorite, the to-do list. Now I'm going to choose my pen, and then I'm going to start writing to-do list. I'm not going to write in cursive, but I'm going to write in like my style of cursive. So I'm just going to like write in cursive, but not really in cursive. So I wrote to-do list, and now I'm going to just go through a highlighter to make it look aesthetic. And then I'm going to choose a different color and just go underneath it a little. So that's to-do list. I wrote the title. Now it's time to write our Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I wrote Monday, and then with the shape thing, I draw a shape, and then it turns into a neat shape. So I kind of really love that feature. So even with that line, if you draw a line, even if it's crooked, it will fix it into a straight rectangle line, which I really love. Make sure to click that button before you use that feature. So I keep doing this. Watch as I keep doing it. Sometimes I mess up, and yeah, so that's kind of me. Like I just messed up right now, but don't worry, we all make mistakes. I did Monday and Tuesday. Now I'm going to do Wednesday. I'm not going to separate a line for Wednesday. And yeah, and then on the bottom, I'm going to separate a line and do Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday on the bottom. as you can see. And I'm gonna label this week 1, page 4. Now I took my highlighter and I made the straight line using that shape tool. Now I'm gonna start doing it for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And yeah, I'll see you after that. Now I just finished writing Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now I'm gonna start writing on Sunday. I'm almost done. I wrote Sunday, and I just have to do the finishing touches, as you can see here, and we're almost done. This is the finished page. This is how it looks, the to-do list. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like the video and comment and share. Now we're at the final page, which is our current events page. This is something I just started recently. And yeah, so I haven't really added to this, but I will be adding to this, and I'm going to keep the template so I can just use it, reuse it. Now I'm just going over it to make it look pretty. I go over it sometimes with the pen, or I like to go over it with the highlighter. So I wrote 2021 for 2021 since I started it this year. And now I'm going to separate into 2 columns, one for my life, all my life events, like if I win a trophy or something happens to me, I'll put them for my life, I'll write about it there. And then world, meaning the world events, like the 2020 Tokyo Olympics that's happening right now. We're almost done. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more prettier by just going over it with a light pink marker, and yeah, we're done. Now I'm just scrolling up, and this is how our page looks like. The next couple of pages